Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So y'all, let me tell you about this look here. If it's not giving me all types of sexy, natural bobs, honey, everything about this look good. All right, let me tell you about this hair. So I was sent this hair by Ririhair, and it is a 14-inch wavy bob, and it comes with a thank you note. Comes with all of the specs of the hair: 14 inches, 150 density, pre-plucked, not bleached. It comes with a brush, some wig caps that are tan, thank you Jesus, and not that beige. Look at the wig. Look at, oh, the bomb. Look at the hairline. It's been pre-plucked. The knots have been bleached. It comes with adjustable straps already on it. What? Like, talk about a luxury wig where you don't have to do nothing. Come with combs, lace in the back, pull it up. Like, this wig is just everything. I love wigs like this where I don't have to do anything. I haven't ever had a wig like this where I don't have to literally do anything. Like, y'all didn't even have to wash this hair. Usually I have to at least bleach the knots, and that causes me to wash the hair. But honey, it comes with this adjustable strap that's like a bra where you can like adjust it, or you can just take it off like this. Like, what? Come through, wig. This is the wig that y'all need, where you don't have to do anything. You can just put on your head, because y'all be asking some of the craziest questions, and I be like, what am I doing wrong? I show a lot of wigs. Y'all should know this by now, but y'all don't. But wigs they can be complicated. So because wigs can be complicated, get this one. This is the one that you need. The most that I did to this is like hot comb it, and that was it. No bleaching knots, no plucking, like just everything. And look at this hair. Look at his hairline. What? So yeah, I'm just going through with my hot comb. I got it from the hair store. It was like $13. I don't know. So here I'm just going to show you guys, you can wet the hair, get the curls back popping. I was wearing it in its natural state. I'm pretty sure it's gorgeous straightened or even curled. So here I put on the wig, and as y'all can see, it is snug. I ain't even put no glue on. I really could get by without gluing this wig, because after I wore it glued on, I just started to like throw it on my head when I went to the store or whatever, and it fit perfect, like the bomb. Didn't even have to tint my lace. So here I'm just putting glue. This is Ghost Bond with I'm putting it on with a popsicle stick, and y'all, this time I put it on my actual wig because I really wanted it to line up with my hairline. I didn't want to be able to pull my wig past it. So I was like, well, let me try it like this. Never tried it this way. And actually it worked out really good. Like, I was like, okay. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it again and see how it is. The only thing is you have to really make sure it dry, but it was like really on there. So here I'm moisturizing my skin using this BFEC serum. I'll leave that link down below. Make sure y'all go check them out. I love that little skincare line for, you know, brightening my skin tone. And I put on some Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and now I'm just taking the wig and pulling it down. I know you can see like some white spots, but when I took off my scarf, they was like gone. So here I'm using this LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. You know, I'm just going for a real natural, subtle glow. That's what I was going for. So as you can see, my eyebrows need to be done, but I'll leave a link down below on how I do them when they need to be plucked. So here I'm just going in with some browns in my contour palette, so I can just have a nice nude eye. Just packing it all on there and then bringing it down to contour. And I'm going in this electric palette and getting this like coalish color, peachy. It's so pretty. So I'm just putting that underneath, and then just matching that with like just pairing it with the same color lipstick. But before I do that, just adding some eyeliner, some mascara, and then I'll put on some lashes off camera. These are some lashes that I'll be receiving from getting hair or whatever. So, oh, before that, I'm putting some highlight from the crayon case. Just taking that gold and making it a highlight, just looking like some Fenty Beauty. This is a dupe for Fenty Beauty. Putting it in my tear duct as well. And like, that's the whole look. It took me no time. So here I'm just taking my eyebrow brush, lining my lips with it, you know, but it works. So, hey, you know, and then I'm taking this color. I'm gonna have to leave it alone. I don't know the name of it. And look at that look. Just so pretty. So I took off my scarf, and look, y'all, like the white just disappeared. Okay, cool. I'm here for it. And this is what the wig looks like. I haven't washed it, haven't curled or anything. It's giving this really bomb, loose, effortless, beachy curls. It was just the bomb. So I'm taking this mousse and putting this on my hair so it can dry fast, because if I had time, I would just use water and then put it on there. But mousse, it dries it up really quick, but it kind of makes it a little hard, but not too bad. You can still run your fingers through it. So yeah, look at that. Just looks so good. I got so excited. Ooh, it was just giving me life. So here I'm just gonna try to fix these baby hairs. How I fix it: just pull it down. You know, cut that piece. If you don't want no baby hairs, just leave it like that. Pull it back. You can just, you know, do it like that. But I like a little baby hair, so that's what I'm doing. And then it just be so the bomb. And then I'll take some mousse, put that on top, and then tie my scarf on. And after that, it's just like laid. Taking some oil sheen. Shouldn't have sprayed that much, but just, you know, put a little oil sheen on it. And then I really wasn't feeling it all the way like this, even though, look, it's cute. You know, I took my brush and combed through my baby hair, but that part was over too something. I don't know. So I decided to switch my part and make it deeper. And look at that. Ooh, yes. Give me life. She look good. She look good. So because this wig isn't a frontal all the way back ear to ear, it gets smaller on the sides. I had to like curve it up more, as you can see. I had to pull that up, but that's it. Like, it's a look. She looks so good. Look at that. You should see it in person. Like, this looks so natural. And I got a lot of compliments on it. Like, oh, okay, that's one of my top favorites right there. Like, that's what they were saying. But it looks so good, doesn't it? So, you guys, let me know what you think down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely go get this wig because it is bomb.com, honey. All right, until next time, I love you. Bye.